E-cigarettes linked with blood vessel damage. Smoking cigarettes or other tobacco products has been proven to cause a host of health problems, from lung cancer to heart disease. In the past decade, electronic cigarettes or e-cigarettes have risen in popularity as a potentially safer alternative. But recent studies suggest that these products have their own health risks. NIH-funded researchers led by Dr. Matthew Springer from the University of California, San Francisco, recruited 120 adults aged 21 to 50. Of the 120 volunteers, 42 regularly used e-cigarettes, 28 smoked conventional cigarettes and 50 used neither. The researchers tested blood samples from all volunteers for changes in chemicals involved in blood flow. Results were published on October 26, 2022, in Arteriosclerosis, Thrombosis and Vascular Biology. Compared with blood vessels in non-smokers, those in both cigarette smokers and e-cigarette users were less able to expand. The team next exposed cultured blood vessel cells to the volunteers' blood serum. Serum from smokers or e-cigarette users caused less nitric oxide to be released by the cells than serum from non-users. Nitric oxide helps control the normal flow of blood in the vessels. Serum from e-cigarette users also caused the cells to become more permeable or leaky than serum from either smokers or non-users. This is a sign of impaired blood vessel function. The body's response to chemical exposure, not the chemicals directly, was driving the cell damage observed. The team found that both smokers and e-cigarette users had signs in their blood of increased inflammation and higher risk of blood clots. But the specific molecules that were altered differed between the two groups. These findings suggest that using the two products together, as many people do, could increase their health risks compared to using them individually, Springer says. In another study, the researchers exposed rats to different components of cigarettes and e-cigarettes. Nicotine, the gases and the inert particles all interfered with blood vessel function. This suggested that a general response in the body to airway irritation, rather than exposure to any one compound, was driving a drop in blood flow. Further work showed that the vagus nerve, which helps the nervous system control the heart and lungs, was driving the response to airway irritation. We were surprised to find that there was not a single component that you could remove to stop the damaging effect of smoker vapors on the blood vessels, Springer says. As long as there's an irritant in the airway, blood vessel function may be impaired.
Thank you for listening. Subscribe to Diseases Simplified for more health tips and updates.